Want to create a video using CapCut's AI avatar feature? Let me show you how. First, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version so you can access the newest features. Now, inside your CapCut project, start with a white background. Next, find the AI Avatars menu. There are plenty of avatars to choose from, so pick one that fits your style. Once you've selected an avatar, tap Next and type in the text you want it to say. If you'd rather use your own voice, you can record it instead. Now let's choose a voice. Each AI avatar has a default voice, but you can switch it up. Use a voice clone or go with text-to-speech, whichever works best for you. When everything's set, tap Generate and wait a few minutes while CapCut processes the video. Once it's ready, your AI avatar will appear in the overlay track. The preview might look a little laggy, but don't worry. Just export the video to see the final result in high quality. And that's it! Now you know how to create an AI avatar video in CapCut. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.